How to verify Wise account. So the first step is to simply go to Wise and then simply click on register or simply click on open an account. Now the next step is to enter your email address. So I'm gonna copy my email address really fast and then I'm gonna paste the address here, then click on next. Now the next step is to choose if you want a personal account or a business account. So I'm gonna go with the personal account. Then here you're gonna have to choose your country. Now keep in mind that as you can see, they may need to ask you for proof of your address. So you're gonna have to make sure that the country is that you are selecting is the one that you are living in. Then click on next, and then here what you're gonna have to do is simply enter your phone number. And after that, after you verify your phone number, the next step is to simply create your password, and basically that's all you have to do in order to verify your Wise account. Now as I said earlier, as you can see here, they may ask you for proof of your address. So in order to verify that, what you're gonna have to do is simply send them a bank statement, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.